Okay, so I'm sanding today. This is a 1000 grit sand here. You can see a little bit of shine, and you can see the direction in which I'm going. All right, let me try the next size. Hang on. Okay, so this is after a 1200 grind. Now, the 1000 grit I did going this way. 1200 I did going this way. And let's take a look at the shine. So you see that's a little bit shinier, and you can see the direction of the grind if you look closely. I don't know if the phone's picking it up, but I can see the shine. Ooh, yeah. All right, you're on your way home, sir. Thank you for your patience. 1500. Okay, so this is after 1500 grit. You see it's a little bit more shiny. See if you can see what's on TV. See that? You can barely see what's on TV. And again, the 1000 went this way, 1200 went this way, 1500 went lengthwise again. And so the next one I'm going to do is going to be cross section again. And I'll come check back with you and show you the progress.